Hi guys, my name is MarineMax with MarineMax Miami, and I'd love to show you our 235 LXF Scout. You'll notice that we have a connected transom area, so it's easy to board and offboard the boat from either side. We have rod holders throughout and a live bait well. Then you also have this transom seating, which is really easy to pull out and put back in, especially when you're on the water fishing, and a nice grab rail for your guests to hold on to while you're underway. We have some cup holders below and a cooler, padded gunnels all throughout, nice helm seat that folds down, and you have access to your controls just like if you were driving a car. Garmin GPS, Bluetooth Fusion audio, and you have a little compartment there to keep your things dry and out of the water with USB chargers as well. Moving on to the bow, you'll notice that we have removable backrests, which are really easy to put on and take off, and it serves as a nice area for your guests to sit and enjoy while you're cruising or just, being underway or enjoying the sandbar. You also have tons of storage on this boat. This is your designated anchor locker with cup holders. And then we have all these lined and plumbed storage, so basically they double as coolers or fish boxes. A nice center lounge area, which is really cool because you don't normally find these on boats of this size. This can also act as a major fish box that is plumbed and drained as well. The 23 LXF also comes equipped with a head. Thank you for joining me on the tour of this boat. My name is MarineMax, and you can reach me at 305-316-0627.